Masters, how y'all doing? Welcome to another Python 3 tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about inheritance. Now inheritance we're talking about is not all about like you having to kill your father and take all of his properties so you basically own everything, but I'm talking about inheritance in the sense that you applying the attributes and properties of a class to another class. So in case you're planning on killing your parents, please don't. I mean, just don't. Anyways, I'll quickly show you guys how to run inheritance in Python and how you can actually inherit all the properties or all the class attributes from one class to another class. So basically, we've seen here that we've created a class from our last tutorial from Python classes on init functions, and I'm going to be showing you guys a brief way you can actually inherit this and pass it on to a new class. So you see all this bunch of code we've written here, all this crap. If you want to create a class that has to do with something like this and you do not want to write the code over and over again, you can simply pass all of this mumbo jumbo code to a new function or a new class. So let me just show you guys how it's done. Now to inherit a class, you can simply use the word keyword class that you create in the class and then just parse in the class name. So this is the class human. Let's use something really different this time. Let's call this class alien. Yep. And to parse in the class, you can simply use this parentheses here. Now the reason I didn't use this parentheses the first time is because we weren't parsing anything. But since we're going to be passing or inheriting classes, I think we should use this right now. To inherit a class, all we have to do is use the parentheses and pass in the class name we want to use inside of it. So what this is going to do is that it's going to inherit all this mumbo jumbo code right from this part down to this part. So basically everything inside of this human is what it's going to collect. Now since we've inherited human, we can just like dump our code and just do it like that. Since we've inherited human, we want to pass in all the code inside of it down from the human class to the alien class. Let's just use the keyword pass, and this basically does nothing but just pass everything you've done, or basically inherits everything for you. So that's it, guys. So basically we've inherited all the attributes inside of this class, and if you still want to write more codes and stuff, you can still write more, but what this is going to do is that it's going to pass in this code for you down to this place. Now one thing you should note is that when creating classes, if you decide to add a define underscore init function right here, it's basically gonna set off this right here, this init. So what this does is that since you are writing a define init here, it's going to override this init because this is a parent class. Let me just put something here to to make you guys know something. Parent, and this is a child class. Let's just write this child, call this a class, and yeah, class. So this is a parent class and this is a child class. Now this parent class right here is the overall class, and you're passing all the attributes down from the parent class to the child class. Now since you've had all the attributes passed and you've used the keyword pass, all the attributes will pass down to this place, including the init function, which means that the init function gets to run on its own. Now if you want to override the init function, you can simply create another init function. Now creating an init function will override the init function which is above here, and that's that. Now you have an init function inside of the child class, inside of the parent class, so these are separate init functions. But if you do not add this, for example, automatically this child class here will be using the parent class init function. Now something else you need to notice about this is that when using or creating parent and child classes, you can simply also add the what do they even call this? Yeah, you can simply change the self keyword. Now this self keyword is something people commonly use in Python. I mean, that's what people use in Python right from the beginning of the ages, but Python, they basically advanced to using it as a normal stuff that people commonly use when coding, so they just decided to make it part of your program in constant. But that doesn't mean that you can't change it. If you want to use something else, you can still use. So I can say Desmond. I can say something like Desmond.age. Let's try that out and see if our code should work fine. Let's go with Desmond.age. Desmond. I'm killing it right here. Desmond. And yep. This is it, Desmond. I think that's all. Yeah. So let's save our code and let's run if it should give us any errors. If it does, we'll correct it out. Yep. Our code still runs fine. That is because this self that will change to Desmond right here can be used as anything we want. So you can simply change self to whatever you want. As long as you're using the first one and changing the first one there, it can simply work as anything you want. So I think that should be all for this video, guys. And before I go, I just want to show you guys something real quick. I'll have to call up this video and head on to my YouTube channel, but be sure to stay subscribed and stay tuned. Keep watching this video, it's not done yet. I'm going to pause this video, I'm going to come back to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, we're at my YouTube channel and this is amazing, guys. I think what I'm about to show you guys is just a new look. I'm just here to show you guys a new look it has. And you know, for a couple of months now, this channel has been new and you guys have really helped me a lot. I just wanted to say that I am really grateful and thank you guys for everything you've done so far. I mean, you guys have subscribed to my channel, kept the comments coming and kept the likes coming also. You've added more traffic to my channel, and I just thought to myself that, you know, I have to say thank you all. Thank you all. I am really so grateful. And for those of you guys who are still subscribed, thumbs up to you. I am subscribing to you. Like I am just so grateful. Thank you guys. And for this subscriber, I think his name is Fiziwi. He is the winner of my video guy winner, and he commented on my channel and on my videos rather, and he subscribed to my channel. So he basically won the spot for this video. His name is Fiziwi. I'm gonna have to type this in the new page. I think Fiziwi. Yeah, Fiziwi. Yeah. So this is his name, not Fiziwi. Fiziwi. Okay, yeah, this is his name. You guys should check him out if you want to. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And of course, classes are a bit complicated. Keep, you know, recapping on the videos. I'm sure you get a hang of it. But as for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in the next tutorial. Peace out.